Our stop is made from stainless steel material by casting process. Grade SS 201, SS 304, SS 316 for choice. Molten steel above 1000 degree is manufactured by wax loss casting process to ensure the durability. It is nearly impossible to be damaged, broken or scratched. Suitable even for very heavy doors. It constructed of high-quality nitrile butadiene rubber tip, useful for protecting your doors, walls. Excellent finish, satin, polished or PVD are available. Welcome, contact for more details.